Dear engineers, today we are talking about historic preservation, investigating methods for preserving and retrofitting historical structures while maintaining their cultural significance.
Historic preservation involves various methods and strategies to maintain and retrofit historical structures while respecting their cultural significance. Here are some key approaches.
1. Assessment and documentation. 1.1. Conduct thorough assessments of the structure's historical, architectural, zero, and cultural significance. 1.2. Document existing conditions, including materials and original features.
2. Materials conservation. 2.1. Use traditional materials and techniques when repairing or replacing elements to maintain authenticity. 2.2. Implement conservation methods that minimize intervention and preserve original materials.
Number 3. Adaptive reuse. Adapt historical buildings for modern uses while preserving their character. This can involve rethinking interior layouts and functions without altering the exterior.
4. Energy efficiency upgrades. Integrate modern energy-efficient systems like insulation, HVAC, discreetly to reduce energy consumption without compromising historic aesthetics.
5. Regulatory compliance. Adhere to local, state, and federal preservation guidelines, such as the Secretary of the Interior Standards for the Treatment of Historic Properties.
6. Community involvement. Engage local communities in the preservation process to ensure that projects reflect their values and cultural narratives.
7. Sustainable practices. Incorporate sustainable practices, such as using renewable energy sources or eco-friendly materials, while respecting historical integrity.
8. Education and training. Provide training for architects, builders, and preservationists on historical techniques and the importance of preserving cultural heritage.
9. Research and innovation. Explore innovative technologies like 3D scanning and modeling to aid in preservation efforts and engage in ongoing research about historical materials and techniques.
10. Public awareness campaigns. Raise awareness about the importance of preserving historical structures through community outreach, tours, and educational programs.
By carefully balancing modern needs with historical integrity, preservation efforts can maintain the cultural significance of historical structures while allowing them to serve contemporary purposes.
Dear engineers, thank you for watching. Share this with your friends and follow us for more engineering knowledge.